How long has it been since you looked over your home insurance coverage? Now could be the very best time to get reacquainted with your house's insurance coverage. As your lifestyles adjust, so do your insurance coverage wishes. That's what the Insurance Information Institute says. But as an alternative of dusting across the corners of your insurance coverage policies this year, make an effort to ask yourself these following questions. Is my house covered for its complete rebuilding price? Evaluate your policy to be sure that you have sufficient insurance coverage to rebuild your own home. When you've made primary enhancements to your house, similar to including a new room, enclosing a porch, increasing the kitchen or bathroom value, you stand a chance of being underinsured in the event you don't regulate your homeowner's insurance plan's limits. In the event that you don't have a separate flood insurance coverage, now can be a good time to take a look at whether or not your house is in a flood possibility zone. And you can do that at floodsmart.gov. Also say, do I have sufficient protection for pricey items? Have you ever purchased or gained any precious jewelry because you bought or renewed your coverage? When was the last time you had the pieces you owned appraised? Same old household insurance coverage has limits on the robbery of such kinds of pricey pieces like jewelry, furs, and silverware. This means the insurer will at best pay the amount specified within the coverage, typically $1,000 to $2,000. To ensure these things at their complete worth, imagine a distinct private assets endorsement or a floater. This protection includes accidental disappearance. That means you're protected in the event that you merely lose an item. Additionally, there's no deductible. One of the best ways to stay monitoring of your assets and ensure that they're adequately insured is to create a house inventory. Do I have sufficient legal responsibility insurance coverage to totally offer protection to my belongings? Do you? Same old homeowners' liabilities pay for judgments towards you and your criminal charges up to a restrict set within your coverage. Then again, in our litigious society, it's your decision to have further coverage. That's what an umbrella liability coverage supplies. An umbrella coverage kicks in while you achieve the limit at the underlying liability protection in a homeowner's, renter's, apartment, or auto coverage. In case your assets have just lately increased, you'll have extra to lose, and you might need to imagine this additional layer of coverage. Also say, should I hire out my space throughout the holiday duration? Whether or not you own a second home, that can put you in a plan to rent to a tenant, or do you need to hire out your personal home? Step one is to hold on to your insurance coverage agent. Depending on the rental situation, your same old homeowner's coverage won't cover losses incurred while your own home is rented out. If that's the case, you will have to consider extra specialized insurance coverage. If you're taking a pricey prepaid holiday or an active holiday similar to cycling or mountain climbing in an exotic locale, commute insurance coverage can lend a hand, giving you protection to the monetary funding to your holiday.